March.
Your home is your sanctuary. You take care of it, and it takes care of you. But sometimes, bad things happen. When you have Renewal by Andersen's exclusive Acclaim Impact windows, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home can handle Mother Nature's mayhem. These windows are tested and engineered to withstand some of the harshest conditions. They can resist the corrosive effects of salt water, protect against windborne debris, and stand up to hurricane-force winds. Andersen has been a leader in impact windows for more than 25 years. So these are the culmination of decades of research and testing and innovation. It's not just Mother Nature you're protected from. These windows have earned the highest forced entry rating, which means they can help deter break-ins no matter where you live, giving you and your family more peace of mind. And if you need an upgrade to your patio doors, you can do that too. Andersen patio doors with storm watch protection meet tough building code requirements in coastal areas. And let's not forget those hot, sunny days. Here's a cool thing. This Fibrex material can really take the heat. Oh, that's much better. Plus, this Fibrex material won't crack, pit, corrode, or rot. To get all this protection, you don't have to sacrifice beauty. With the strength of Fibrex material, you get thinner frames, which means more glass, meaning bigger and better views. Plus, you can choose from dozens of color combinations, including dark exterior colors that you just won't find with most window replacement companies. Like the look of grills? No problem. You can choose from a variety of styles. As a designer, I think these windows are the most beautiful impact windows on the market. So there are more reasons to keep these curtains open and let in some sunshine. Their Smart Sun Glass option blocks 95% of harsh UV rays, which can help protect your furniture from fading and help lower your energy bills. I would call that a win-win. Speaking of winning, let's talk about turtle glass. These little guys and gals get confused by unnatural light sources. Turtle glass has a special coating so the lights from inside your house and the light reflected from the moon don't disorient them. That way they can find their way to the sea after they hatch. Oh, they're so cute. I can tell you from experience that Renewal by Andersen makes the window buying process so easy. That's because you're getting their exclusive signature service. They handle everything from start to finish. So you're working with one company the whole time. And all of it is backed by their nation's best warranty. There are thousands and thousands of miles of coastline, meaning a lot of homes that could use some superior protection. Renewal by Andersen's Acclaim Impact windows have got you covered, so you can enjoy your sanctuary no matter the weather.